guys, my name is Kelly.
And I'm Brett.
We're going to make passing your driver's and learner's license as easy as we can.
What we're going to be taking you through are rules of the road, traffic signs and signals, and surface road markings.
The first thing we're going to do is go through rules of the road. It is important to make driving on public roads as safe as possible.
Therefore, there are rules of the road which all road users must abide by.
For example, Brett has parked 1.5 meters away from the fire hydrant.
So remember guys, it's 1.5 meters from either side of the fire hydrant. Now it's time for the pre-inspection.
We do this to show the instructor that the car is roadworthy.
The first thing you'll want to do is check under the vehicle for any oil leaks or obstructions. Then you're going to check your number plate, make sure it's securely fastened. Come up to your bonnet, make sure that's closed properly. Move on to your windscreen wipers, just make sure that they're not perished. And leave them up for the duration of the test. You're also going to want to make sure that the windscreen is clean and free of any cracks or defects. Also check that your license disc is valid and secure. Okay, now we're going to unlock the front door. And we're going to inspect the vehicle from top to bottom in an anti-clockwise direction. Ensure that the mirrors aren't broken and they're secure and clean. You want to check that your tire is inflated properly, check the tread depth and the wear of the tire, check for the valve cap and check that there's no oil leaks or damage to the tire. Make sure that your lights, reflectors and lenses aren't damaged or cracked. Check your vehicle for loose panels or grills. Mention to the inspector that you've checked for a spare wheel, jack and spanner. You also want to check that your fuel cap is secure. Finally, you want to make sure to mention to your inspector that you've checked the oil, water, brake fluid and that your fan belt is securely fastened.
You'll need to know 12 vehicle controls: your gear lever, your handbrake, the speedometer, the temperature gauge, your 3 foot pedals, your indicator control, your rear view mirror, your left and your right side mirrors, your windscreen wiper switch, and your steering wheel.
Use your steering wheel to maintain or change direction of the vehicle. Remember to always keep your hands at the 10 to, 2 o'clock, quarter to and 3 o'clock positions. If you turn the steering wheel to the left, the wheels will move left. If you turn it to the right, the wheels will move right. You use the gear lever to select or change gears. Use the handbrake to keep the vehicle stationary. Always depress the ratchet release when applying the handbrake. Keep your eye on the speedometer to ensure that you're keeping within the speed limit. You check your temperature gauge to make sure that your engine is not overheating. Your 3 foot pedals consist of your clutch, your brake and your accelerator. You use the clutch pedal to disengage the drive between the engine and the gearbox in order to change gears. Use your foot brake, which is next to the clutch, to slow down or stop. Push down on your accelerator to increase your speed and release it to reduce your speed. You use your indicator controls if you intend on turning left or right. The indicator is used in the same way as the steering wheel. Shift the lever in the same direction you intend to turn the steering wheel. You look in your rear view mirror to check that it is safe behind you. Use your side mirrors to check the sides of your vehicle and that it is safe behind you. Use your windscreen wiper switch to turn the windscreen wipers on or off. You use your windscreen wipers to clear your windscreen while driving in the rain.
I've stopped at the white line. Now I will apply my handbrake, select neutral, and check mirrors and blind spots. Now I will select first gear, observe my mirrors and blind spots again, and slowly release the handbrake to pull off.